wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding electric bikes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Coming in at a budget-friendly price, the xprit 14 is suitable if you don't have a lot of cash to spare and plan on riding mostly on relatively flat ground and smooth roads or sidewalks. For nighttime safety, it includes both a headlight and a tail light. It's equipped with comfortable hand grips, however its range is poor, and the tires are too small for some. At number 9, with 16-inch wheels, the ancheer ANEB006 is extremely compact when collapsed, making it a good choice for anyone who doesn't have a lot of storage space. And at just £37, most people should be able to pick it up and carry it onto public transport if needed. It's equipped with an intuitive control panel and a seat height that's easy to adjust, but it can't support heavy riders. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Thanks to aggressive tread on its fat tires, the Sondors Fold X can travel over gravel, dirt and sandy sidewalks without losing traction. Using its well-placed thumb throttle, you can control the 500-watt motor, which offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour. It runs for 40 miles on a single charge and is a sleek and stylish design. However, the seat could use more padding. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding electric bikes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Overfly commuter has a sleek aesthetic, with its electrics hidden inside the frame, so most people wouldn't be able to tell it's a powered model. It offers 5 pedal assist levels, and you can charge it with the battery attached or taken off. It's equipped with an illuminated display panel and waterproof connectors, but there's no suspension on the forks. Moving up our list to number 6. Thanks to wide tires, the ecotric Fat is suitable for a variety of terrain, from slick snowy roads to sandy boardwalks. As a safety feature, it's got self-locking rods that prevent it from collapsing accidentally while it's in motion. It features a sturdy, D-shaped pipe riser, height-adjustable handlebars, and a simple twist throttle. Halfway up our list at number 5. Though it doesn't offer the longest range, the large and lightweight 26-inch magnesium alloy wheels and 21 gears make the Ancheer Mountain ANEB002 easier to pedal than many others, so it's a trade-off many might be willing to make. It's equipped with a speed shifter and dual disc brakes, and it's comfortable for tall riders. At number 4, with an impressive range and a powerful motor that allows for a top speed of roughly 30 miles per hour, the mukkpet Rattan LM750 is a good choice for commuters. It's got an informative display panel that shows the remaining battery life, mileage and more. It includes a rear cargo rack and an impact-absorbing seat post. It comes in several colors. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the swagtron EB8 Outlaw has a quick-charging 36-volt lithium-ion battery and throttle-only, pedal-only and pedal-assist modes. Its rear reflectors provide visibility when riding at night. It's a rugged design for all-terrain use with a spring suspension system. It supports riders weighing up to 265 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding electric bikes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, when folded, the compact Swagcycle EB5 Pro can fit in the back of most automobiles or be carried with you while riding on public transportation. Perhaps more importantly, it features patented technology that immediately disengages the motor when the brakes are applied. It's equipped with a battery level indicator and quick disconnect power cables. It comes fully assembled. And coming in at number 1 in our list, most people should find it easy to get on and off the DJ step-thru, which has a 750-watt motor that offers a peak power of 1000 watts for short bursts if you need a bit of extra energy to get up a hill. A lock keeps the removable battery safe when out and about. It features shock-absorbing forks, Fat Boy-style Kenda tires, and an LED headlight. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding electric bikes, or simply click beneath this video.